Today's post notification shout out goes to Westan. If you want a shout out, you gotta be the first to comment under my last video and you get a shout out. So thank you Westan for commenting under my video. Thank you for subscribing.
On there.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be pulling out a 1-month-old cornrow. Look at it. I look like a bushman, no? Can't even see it. Okay. This is the longest I've ever had in a braid.
Fire up the lights up. Work on with the wind, yeah. You make me feel all lazy, yeah.
Now it's time for me to wash my hair. Guys, I was gonna wash my hair in the bathroom, but because I don't want the hair, whatever breakage I have or whatever dead hair I have, to go in the drain, I'm going to go outside. So I'm just washing out my hair before I start. Then I use my shampoo, lather it all over my hair. Rinse that out, use the shampoo again. I'm gonna rinse it out again. I'm gonna use the shampoo another time because I use my shampoo 3 times. Combing it out. And at this point my hair feels so soft. Now I'm going to use my conditioner. This is my last. I'm gonna leave this in my hair for 5 minutes while I eat my breakfast. I got grape, pawpaw, pine, orange, cane, raspberry, and apple. cleaning my area now. I don't use heat in my hair, so I won't be using anything to dry my hair but my towel. My hair feels more fuller and darker. Land check. Now I'm going to apply my virgin air fertilizer, which I bought from Epulent Emporium, a Jamaican store on Instagram. Air fertilizer is my saver. Since I started using the virgin hair fertilizer, I realized my hair has become more thicker and more fuller, and it has grown tremendously. This is how it looks, and I'm applying it to my half damped hair. After oiling my scalp, I'm going to take a generous amount of the virgin air fertilizer and apply it all over my hair. Then I will take my comb and section it into 4 and twist it up. Jano, the shrinkage is real. This is the end of my video. Comment down below, give me a like. Bye.